Welcome all. Today we are going to be talking through how to conduct a performance appraisal effectively. Now, the purpose of a performance appraisal is to inform the employee how they are doing in a very formal way, but the objective really is to plan how it is you are going to improve that performance. And if done well, they are very motivational and help employees to grow and develop. And this is one of the most important things we consider you can do as a supervisor. So for our objectives are on the screen, and we will be looking at this every single time we meet for these sessions. But today, I think we're going to be focusing on the first objective, which is to identify the purpose and benefits of the session. So we're going to look at how to avoid discrimination, how to measure and document performance, how to set those goals, and how to prepare and how to conduct the interview, dealing with different performance in all of these sessions. So let's begin with what is the appraisal. The appraisal process has the potential to be a very powerful tool for building relationships between supervisors and their direct reports. It provides a structured means for communication, to provide feedback, to recognize accomplishments, have honest discussions on improvements, and to develop opportunities and for developmental opportunities. So what we're talking about here is the process of comparing what you actually did with the established standard or criteria for performance that was set up. Or we're talking about a systematic review and evaluation of your performance, and that is going to be provided. All performance appraisals should have the following elements. You need to be able to have a supervisor's assessment, an employee self-assessment, the assessment of others in the process, goal setting and developmental goals for the period. Now, why are they important? Really, I consider that it's a great opportunity to be able to recognize accomplishments. For organizations to be successful, all of us need to be able to perform at our best abilities, and we can only do so if we have the adequate feedback that we need and those clearly defined goals. Now, once it is that an employee has the tools, has the understanding as what it is that is expected from them, then this is a process where you would recognize how well they do, to guide the process, to improve the performance, to review the performance, to set goals, and to identify problems, and to discuss how it is that they can move up. Now, how does it benefit employers? Now, what it provides is documentation, and this is critical for all employers. You cannot make decisions without documents. Employee development opportunities, feedback, legal protection, which is also very important, and it creates a significant motivation system that can be used. Now, how does it benefit employees? Now, it offers employee direction, an opportunity for feedback, to understand how it is that you are doing, to give them the opportunity to put in an input and a say into how it is that they actually do their work. It provides motivation for those that are self-directed. Now, there's some legal and ethical concerns that surrounds the appraisal process that we really just want to touch briefly, because we're going to look at them in detail in another time. But any failure to communicate standards and to give timely feedback and to allow opportunities to correct their performance, to have inconsistency in how performance is measured, or your failure to document performance objectively, changing standards after an employee has been hired, or inconsistency in compensation, promotion, or development, all provides significant ethical and legal concerns for the appraisal process. For the next session, we're going to be looking at how to prepare for your performance appraisal.